Well, amidst raging anger over alleged irregularities in the medical entrance exam NEET, the Education Ministry has ordered cancellation of UGC NET exam. The decision followed inputs that the exam's integrity may have been compromised, and the matter has been handed over to the CBI for an investigation. What is NET? NET is a test to determine the eligibility for junior research fellowship, for appointment as assistant professors and admission to PhD in Indian universities and colleges. In a shift from earlier practice, the test was conducted in pen and paper mode, this time on the 18th of June, with a record 11 lakh students registering for the exam. The NTA said that cancellation has been done to ensure the highest level of transparency and sanctity of the process, and fresh dates will be announced soon. The decision by the ministry comes amid a massive row on NEET, which is the medical entrance examination, with the issue now before the top court as well. The government has been put in the dock. There have been allegations of question paper leak in states like Bihar and other irregularities in this prestigious exam. The centre has also clarified that regarding irregularities in NEET in Patna, a detailed report has been sought from the Economic Offences Unit of Bihar Police, and the government will take further action on the receipt of this report. We have some breaking inputs coming in as well. Soon after the cancellation of NET, Congress leaders dubbed Modi government as paper leak government, as King asking, beg your pardon, whether the education minister would take responsibility now. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge asked when will Prime Minister Modi hold NEET Pariksha Pe Charcha. Taking a jibe at the Prime Minister's Pariksha Pe Charcha edition, Mallikarjun Kharge is asking when will the Prime Minister talk about the NEET Pariksha. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra asked for accountability to be fixed. The Congress also alleged that the Modi government is playing with the future of the youth. So NET exams have been cancelled. That has armed the opposition. It has given more ammo to the opposition, which is asking what will the government do about NEET? When will we see concrete action in the NEET exams, given the allegations of paper leak, given the allegations of irregularities? Ankit is joining us on the broadcast with more details. Two separate set of examinations we're talking about. NET has been cancelled, which has armed the opposition, asking questions about NEET now.
Ramesh is doing all the questioning right now, so we're going to read his post, Swati. So he says the non-biological Prime Minister conducts a grand spectacle every year called Pariksha Pe Charcha, but his government cannot conduct any examination without leaks and fraud. Very serious questions have been raised regarding the NEET UG 2024 exam. The Education Minister has also been forced to accept them. The integrity of the National Testing Agency is under serious doubt. Now, the UGC NET exam, which was conducted day before yesterday, was cancelled last night. In fact, the government of the non-biological PM has been disastrous for India's education system. CUET has made the class 12th exams a complete mockery. Professionalism of the NCERT, UGC and CBSE has ended. The new education policy 2020, instead of making India's education system future ready, merely acts as the Nagpur education policy 2020. This is the legacy of MA in entire political science. Will he ever discuss leaks? So a lot of attacks here, personal attacks also against the Prime Minister, and also topical with relation to the exams that have been cancelled. We'll also just go through Priyanka Gandhi Vadra's tweet as well. She says the laxity and corruption of the BJP government is fatal for the youth. After the news of scam in NEET exam, now the NET exam to be held on 18 June has also been cancelled due to the fear of irregularities. That has already been held. Will accountability be fixed now? Will the Education Minister take responsibility for this lax system? Swati, I'm going to open some other tweets as well, but for the moment handing it back to you.
All right. Thank you very much, Ankit, for getting us the details. Sabyasachi is also on the broadcast with us. Sabyasachi, political reactions have been increasing, intensifying amidst the cancellation of the NET exam now.
Well, absolutely. See, the political reactions are coming in. The opposition parties have been strongly attacking the BJP government, the NDA government. Now we have seen that several reactions are being coming in from the opposition side. They say that the education system has been compromised under the NDA government. The lives of the youth are compromised by the BJP government. After the NEET fiasco, now the NET exam has been cancelled a day after the student appeared there for the the papers. So at this particular time, the opposition say that the central government is yet to take any sort of strong action. The NTA has been completely compromised. The central government has completely turned a blind eye towards it. And that is the reason why in the upcoming session of the parliament, we will see a strong reaction coming in from the opposition side regarding the NEET and the NET exam fiasco. And also, they have questioned why Dharmendra Pradhan has been retained by the BJP government this time around, when such controversy time and again has come up, where the BJP on one hand has been denying these charges, but again there has been a U-turn from the Minister of Education. So clearly all these scenarios are being questioned by the opposition leaders.
Right, Sabyasachi, stay on with us. We have Udit Raj joining us on the broadcast now. Udit Raj ji, thank you very much for joining us. Amidst reports of cancellation of the NET exam, I believe the opposition has now trained guns at the government, the centre. What is your reaction to it?
Why not? Because now what happened is not one incident, two incidents, or a dozen even more than that. And it's become havoc. And paper leak has become menace. So what happened now? NET exam has been cancelled. So we urge the government to cancel NET exam also, or reconduct exam, because there are a lot of anomalies which have been established beyond reasonable doubt here, Godhra and Bihar. But this government is trying to hush up.
But the government is saying that they're taking proactive steps, that they said if the integrity of this exam has been compromised, they have been cancelled. CBI has been asked to inquire.
See what happened, that why delay? So much of delay, and of course the education minister has not yet accepted that there have been anomalies, and initially he denied to have such things. And that's the government attitude, that is playing with the lives of the millions of the students.
Right.
And competitive, those who are candidates.
All right.
And that's the point where we definitely feel that they are insensitive towards.
All right, you're saying they are insensitive towards the youth of the country, playing with their future. Thank you very much, Mr. Udit Raj, for joining us on the broadcast with your views. I am going to go back to Ankit. More reactions coming in, I believe.
Yeah, the TMC and the Sharad Chandra Pawar NCP have responded to it. We'll start with Clyde Crastoswati. He says cancellation of the UGC NET June 2024 examination exposes another of the failures of the central government's education department in running the education system. Just a few days ago, the NEET exam issue brought it to light how malpractices and favoritism are prevailing in our education system. The central government, by failing in doing their duty diligently towards the students of our country, are disrespecting their hard work and also playing with their lives. If Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan is unable to handle this portfolio as an education minister, he must resign. Strong words there. Saket Gokhale, Trinamool Congress, says the examination process structure of our country has crashed. Paper leaks and irregularities. NTA is complicit in it. After NEET fiasco, the UGC NET has now been cancelled literally one day after students wrote the exam. The lives and futures of our students are being destroyed every day, and the NDA 1.0 government is shameless to even take responsibility. Incompetent education minister has been repeated again despite being an utter failure. The same is true with Ashwini Vaishnav as railway minister, and now we saw train crash. They need to be sacked. Modi clearly hasn't learnt any lesson from his humiliation in the election. So very strong words being used by the Trinamool and the NCP, SCP along with the Congress to take on the government over both these exams.
All right, Ankit, thank you very much for getting us the details. Let's also listen in to the NSUI President, Varun Chaudhary.
24 लाख छात्र आप देखेंगे कितने दिनों से इस तड़पती धूप में, आप देखेंगे गर्मी में अपनी गुहार लगा रहे हैं। साथ में एनएसवाई के साथी भी गुहार लगा रहे थे न्याय की। और जिस तरीके से नेट का पेपर, आज मैंने सुबह प्रेस के माध्यम से बोला था कि एनटीए को तुरंत बैन कर देना चाहिए। मैं फिर वही मांग करता हूं कि एनटीए को तुरंत बैन कर देना चाहिए, उस पर एक सख्त कानूनी कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए। साथ के साथ मेरी अब प्रधानमंत्री जी से गुहार है कि आपके सामने अब दो चीजें हैं, या तो आप 35 लाख छात्रों को, युवाओं को न्याय दें, या अपने करप्ट शिक्षा मंत्रालय को और जो एनटीए उसको बचाएं।